Hello guys, how are you? Nice to meet you. Today, I will share about how to create constants in Python. In most programming languages, we can define a constant. The value of the constant will be fixed and cannot be changed during the program execution process. You're confused about how to do this in Python. So the solution? Normally, there is no solution to this kind of problem. The reason is because Python does not implement constants. However, Python programmers are looking for various ways to make a variable immutable like constant in other programming languages. One way that can be used is to define a function. So, let me show you. Okay, now I will type octoturb, define the function pi. And next octoturb, which seems to be used as a constant. Now div pi brackets so you have to add a space 3 times or 5 times, return 3.14159 to 653589793. So pi bracket, you can see the result SMS the above. What I mean is the pi value in return. And octoturb, next octoturb, an example of using the pi function. What I mean is pi brackets function. Okay, radius equivalent 3, and next area equivalent pi brackets multiplication. So you can add brackets and add radius double multiplication 2 in the brackets. So you can type area. Now the result here in my screen. All variables in Python can be changed their values. More precisely, it can be used to point to another object. For example, we might all think that the value of pi in mathematics should be taken as a constant value. Python stores the pi value into the pi variable defined in the match module. In Python, this value can actually be changed as the following code shows. So I will type enter, and I will type import math.py, and the result is this in my screen. Next, enter, I will type math.py plus equivalent 4, enter, math.py. The result is this. Choose constants in Python are only conventions or unofficial agreements or rules that can still be violated. So that's all my explanation. I hope this video is useful for all. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and comment. Thank you for watching.